Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming controllers and accounts. This matters because the console ties a player to a profile. Start the supported game and sign in with your main profile. Once the main session is live, wake the second controller and press A or the indicated join button to add a second player. If prompted, choose the local profile or create a guest. This lets the game create a split screen session. Make sure both controllers show active input before proceeding. Now configure the split screen layout and player options so gameplay is comfortable for both of you. Open the game's split screen or display menu and choose horizontal versus vertical split. Some titles allow resizing each panel. Next, set audio levels per player if the game supports it, and adjust camera sensitivity independently so controls feel right. Once done, sync save settings and difficulty for each profile. This avoids one player overriding the other's progress during the session. Finish by launching the match or mission and verifying both players control their characters. Test movement, shooting, and menus. This confirms input mapping and HUD visibility. If you notice frame drops or input lag, close background apps, and if playing online, check NAT and network stability. If a controller won't join, repair it or sign the profile out and back in. As a last resort, restart the console. One key troubleshooting tip: reassign profiles before rejoining to prevent save conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.